Right guys, now let's work with this problem. It's a very nice problem. We are actually trying to build a formula, alright, by observing this table, and we can use this formula for the rest of the questions given to you. Look at this carefully. What's happening here is he's giving you 1, 2, 3, 4 figures basically, and he says that observe the number of sides in this is 3, right? And he says 1 into 180 would be the angle sum of a triangle. We know that if you add all the angles inside the triangle, that is interior angles, you will get 180 degrees exactly. So there's 1 here, okay? Keep this in mind. So it means there's 1 triangle, that's it. Come back to this guy. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, all right? If the 4 sides in a polygon, how many triangles can you make maximum? 1, 2, that is it, all right? So I can see that 4 minus 2 is giving me this number. So who's this 4? 4 is the number of sides, alright? So number of sides minus 2 will give me this number 2. Is it true for this guy? Let's check it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sides, and I can see that I can make 1, 2, 3 triangles by drawing diagonals here, right? So how will I get this number 1, 2, 3? Very simple. So number of sides, that is 5, minus 2. This 2 is always same. And 5 minus 2 is getting 3. And this 3 is nothing but the number of triangles inside. And what will be this angle sum of all the angles inside this thing? That is nothing but 3 into 180. That's it. Why 3 into 180? Because 180 for this triangle, 180 for this triangle, 180 for this triangle. And if I can add all these things, I'll actually get the angles, the interior sum of all these angles inside. Right? Keep that in mind. Look at this guy now. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. How many triangles can we form without drawing? Okay, without drawing. I know that if there are 6 sides, minus 2 will be how much? 4. It means there will be 4 triangles inside the second form. Exactly. So this minus 2, 6 minus 2, this minus 2 is a constant for all. So that looks like a formula to me, right? So this 4 is in the, or let's come back to this guy also. That is 3 minus 2 is again what? 1. Okay, this 1, 3 minus 2. This is 2, that is 4 minus 2. This is 3, that is 5 minus 2. So this 5 is nothing but the number of sides. And this minus 2 is a constant. That becomes a formula, right? Cool. And into 180 would give me the angle sum of all the angles inside a polygon. That's it. So come back to this guy. Can I write, if for all I have, the first question says 7 sides. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Then who is this number 5? What exactly is number 5? It means I can make 5 triangles inside a polygon with 7 sides. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's a polygon with 7 sides. So look at this. 1 triangle, 2nd triangle, 3rd triangle, 4th triangle, 5th triangle. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. Exactly. That's how we get the number of triangles. And what will be the sum of all these angles of a polygon with 7 sides? Very simple. It is 5 into 180. That is it. Alright? Do you understand this? Exactly. Now let's go with 8. Can you guess what happens here? So I should actually know how many triangles I can make. How do I get that? So that's nothing but number of sides, that is 8 minus 2. This will give me 6. So it means I can make 6 triangles inside a polygon with 8 sides. That's it. And let me draw this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? So let's try drawing triangles. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 triangles. Exactly. So what is the sum? The angle sum of all the angles inside this polygon. It can be simply given by 6 times 180. That is all about it, okay? Now what about 10? So we should know how many triangles would a polygon of 10 sides would make. So we'll not draw it now. I know that if 10 sides are there, 10 minus 2, which will be 8. So it will be 8 triangles. So 8 into 180 degrees would be the angle sum of a polygon with 10 sides. Now, if that is the case, can we make a general formula? For 7 sides of 7 minus 2, and the number of angle sum would be 7 minus 2 into 180. Alright? If number of sides is 7, this minus 2 is a constant. Into 180 is what I'm giving. This is nothing but the angle sum. Angle sum is the sum of all the interior angles in a polygon. That's it. So if it is 7, it's 7 minus 180. If it is 8, It is 8 minus 2. I can also write this as 8 minus 2 into 180, because 6 can be raised by 8 minus 2. If it is 10, it is 10 minus 2 into 180. So if the number of sides are n, that is n minus 2 into 180. Okay, this will be the angle sum. So we just made a formula. It says, let's write here, it says angle sum of any polygon would be nothing but n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So where n is the number of sides in the polygon. How simple is that?